Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Want to Stay. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to change your username if you are bored from your old username. So first of all, open your web browser and type in www.puf.com, and as you can see it will take me to its official website. Now as you can see in this top web page bar, click on my profile and click on edit profile. Now scroll down to the profile category saying edit username and click on change. As you can see, to change your username you need to buy subscription, and there are three options for it: 3 months for $13, 6 months for $10 per month, and 1 year for $6 per month. So now to buy subscription you just need to enter your credit card number and saying pay now, and you can change your username. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this, and I'll see you guys later.